Today I'll be presenting to you Job Boleh AI, where the name of our product comes from the meaning of our mission, where basically Boleh in Malay means can. So this is actually one of our spirit from Malaysia, where it means Malaysia Boleh. So where for our job seekers it means job ability, and in Chinese Boleh means not tired, so we want to make sure our goal is that where you can make job finding not tiring. Okay? So basically here is what I'm going to present is that I'm going to talk about my own story here. So the mission is basically my own pain point. As a fresh graduate, I struggled a lot when I first come in. I didn't even know that many companies use such things called as AI systems, such as applicant tracking systems, to even screen us out. And most of my resumes were all just completely black holed because we don't even know what happened to them because it was all generic. Then also we had no knowledge for like any tailoring my resumes or cover letters. It was very hard to show my transferable skills from academic to industry ready. So at the same time also interview preparation was just pure anxiety, where I would struggle not even know where to prepare, what to do, or even what to wear for my interview. So that's when I realized that I'm not the only person facing this issue. There are 127 universities in Malaysia, and according to our statistics, 165,000 of graduates were unemployed in Malaysia in 2024. So let's just take a moment to imagine globally how many graduates are unemployed. So that's where our solution comes in, where we have an AI-based system that will target and help job candidates throughout the entire job application system. So this is our target market, and then this is our 7 integrated models in our system. And then we have, what makes us unique is that our system has a complete journey from A to Z, from the resume to even interview preparation, everything is covered, where our competitors, they only have 1 to 2 features. So this is our technology stack, where we have Python, Django framework, and then also I'm using computer vision, and the main capability that is very important is that we have a scalable architecture. And then this is our reliability and security. And then this is our user acceptance testing, where we have over 200 testers in our pilot testing in Asia Pacific University itself. And then this is our social impact, where we're not just targeting for individuals, but we're actually solving an issue for a community. So where we're also going to target where we'll achieve our SDG goal 8, which is decent work and economic growth. So this is our roadmap from ideation to monetization, and then this is our 3-year financial projection plan, and then we also have our strategic partnership and expansion ideas already in plan, and then this is our regional expansion vision. So next I'll be showing you my demo of the system. So this is my interface, where I'll start first with my resume analysis. So here what we have to do is we have to choose our file. So we can choose our resume. So I'll be choosing mine. And then from there, I'll copy a job description from any company. So this is Seagate company. And once I've pasted it here, once I click to analyze resume, it will find the match score between the resume as well as the job description. So this is the match score that is given, so it's a 75 match. Then it will show the keywords which are found in both the resume and the job description, and then it also shows the missing skills, and it also gives recommendations on what kind of certifications you can take to bridge the gap. From here you can actually tailor your resume. So here we have 3 templates mainly where we can choose. So I'm selecting the hybrid template, and then this is for further customization if you want to add anything else or remove any sections. And then from there you can generate the resume. So this is the tailored resume, and where you can also download it into PDF as well. And then, next is our cover letter. So I've already added my information here due to time constraint. So you can add your names, your details, and then what companies will be basically tailored based on the job description you have given. So here you can also choose your focus area on what kind of things you would like to emphasize and highlight as well. So let's say I would like to highlight my relevant experience as well as express my passion towards the role. And then I can generate a cover letter. And then you'll automatically generate a cover letter for me based on my job description and also my resume. So this is the generated cover letter, and then from here we can adjust our font and size, and we can also adjust and type everything here because we want to have a human touch, not just completely AI. And then from here we can finalize the cover letter. So once it actually finalizes, then we can actually download it into a PDF, but now it's taking a few minutes to do it. So we'll continue to the next part, where we have interview prep. Okay, so this is a cover letter which is generated, and then we can download it into a PDF as well. So next is our interview preparation. So this will generate tips on how to prepare for your interview. So we can click here to generate level 1 tips, and then it will generate level 1, and then from there we'll have level 2, level 3 as well. So these are the tips generated. So these are basically mainly on the job description and resume which were given earlier. And then we also have an AI coach. So basically what this does is that when there's any questions you have on the interview but you don't know how to answer it. So here you can always tell tell me how to answer, where do you see yourself in 5 years? So once you have put this question in, it will automatically tailor based on your job description and also your resume. So here it is. So as you can see, it's mainly towards Seagate. And then next we will continue with our AI stylist, this is exactly what I'm using today because such an important presentation, I needed to build my confidence up. So here you can use your camera. You can take a picture of yourself, and then first what you will do, you will analyze your skin tone, sorry. You can choose your gender, and then you can camera, and you can take a picture. And then here it will recommend you clothing based on your skin tone as well. So next we will continue with our interview coach. So this is basically like a simulation on how to do an interview process. So here it will show an example of what kind of questions that they might ask. And then you can also record your answers, and then based on it, it will give you a feedback on your emotional stability, your clarity and all as well. So due to time constraint, I will not be recording it, but I will show you the results. So this is how the results would be, roughly. So this will show the overall performance, and then your confidence level, and as well as your your speech clarity, and then your emotional stability. And then here it will show your strengths, your area of improvement, and then specific recommendations. And you're also using agentic AI, where it will track your progress as well. And then this is more towards a detailed transcript if it's needed. And then next would be our career recommender. So this is based on a personality test. So where you will have a personality test you will take, and then based on the skills that you have uploaded earlier from your job, your resume. So you can analyze it, and then it will generate for you automatic recommendations on what kind of job is your career path you can go. And at the bottom you can also have links to courses on what kind of courses you should take to bridge your skill gap as well. So next one will be our most famous one, which is our university dashboard. So where admin staffs actually can track and write their own QS report and also their Ministry of Higher Education report, where based on your students that you have, here you can see the reports here generated. So total here in my system, we have just since our prototype and an explanation. We have 3 graduates and 2 employed, and so these are all the insights, everything generated. And we can automatically download this into a report as well. So this report can be sent for QS report and also for the higher Ministry of Education report as well. And then lastly is finding a mentor. Because when we did an interview with APU, so we got to realize that when you're finding a mentor, it's actually randomized. So they don't have a specific trait on how to have the interview. How do you have the mentor matching? So here what we do is we can find your mentor based on your skills as well as your career interests, and then you can match with your perfect mentor as well. Yes, that'll be all from me.
Okay, thank you. Time is up. So now we have our Q&A. Thank you for your presentation from Justin.
All right, thank you. Thank you for the presentation.